It's only when you are late for an appointment that you get all the red lights. It's only then. Guys, I am stressed. I am so stressed. I fly out really early tomorrow morning, and everything today is not going well. So it's one of those days, you feel me? I have to do my, I desperately need to do my nails. So I'm gonna get them done right now. Latania's meeting up with me. It's just been so crazy. Like, she thought she was meeting me at my place. Now I'm telling her no, meet me there. So it's just, it's a bit hectic. Like, I don't even have my vlogging camera with me. I'm doing this on my phone. I forgot my glasses. Like, it's a hot mess. And this person in front of me is taking forever. And all I want to do is take out money. I'm not trying to take out a mortgage. Oh my God. Thank you. Anyway, let me just take out this money and I'll be right back because your girl's freaking out. I made it. And I made it. We're out here. So we're getting our nails done. I'm still a little stressed. Latania's pretty much laughing at my sorrows. But
at least your nails will look good in the
yeah, and this is like it's a bit of a break. It's a bit of a break, but yeah, hopefully everything goes well. I'm clearly on a massage chair, but okay, so one task done, 11 more to go. I love these chairs. I'm the same way. I did my nails! What I was gonna say was something really odd happened at the nail salon today, and this has never happened before, so I had to share. So today I decided not to wear my engagement ring to the nail salon because my experience has been like, it just gets really dusty and like it's just not a good look. So I'm just like, you know what, let me leave it at home. Do I feel odd without it? Yeah, it feels kind of weird, and there's somebody watching me do these stories, but it's fine. Like, you know, it is what it is. So the color that I had done, I was like, I was speaking out loud. Normally I don't speak to anybody really, unless they ask me a question, they tell me what to do or whatever. This guy's about to back up into my vehicle. Anyway, I was like, yeah, this might be like my wedding day color, right? My girl looks at me, looks at my hand, bare, and she's just like, sis, what wedding? And I'm like, whoa. At this point, I was like, okay, you're laughing a little too hard. And there was literally, like, I wasn't even saying a joke. I wasn't even looking funny at all. And, that hurt my feelings, essentially. And I was just like, let me transition this conversation to something else. I'm not gonna lie, man. I did feel pretty awkward. Because I was just like, okay, sorry, excuse me, ma'am. Somebody loves me in this world and wants to marry me one day. Like, I feel like low-key this camera's not doing it for me right now because it's my phone and it's not my vlogging camera. But we won't go back to how I didn't bring it, to how the battery's probably dead, to how I can't find the memory card. We won't go back to that place because we're happy. We did our nails, okay? So like I said, I'm just gonna head over to Mickey D's, grab a sugar-free iced coffee, and then Dollarama. And then I'm gonna go pick up the boo-boo and head over to the mall and do some last minute shopping, because I don't know about you guys, but I feel like when you pack, it only like reinforces shopping. Like, that's it. Like, you're just like, oh, I don't have this in my life. And it's like, but ugh. Anyway, let me know if anybody else feels like that when they shop, but that's how I feel. Let's go get this iced coffee. Okay, so I'm finally back home and I have a lot to get done. So I was freaking out just moments ago because my computer wasn't working. I had a full video that I finished editing, ready to go for YouTube, and my computer decided to stop working and stop turning on. Yeah, so that was extremely annoying. But I don't know what happened. I managed to get the computer back up. Now I've lost all the work that I did to edit the video. So now I have to re-edit the video again, and that took a few hours out of my day, but I'll do that. But first I'm going to start packing. There's actually packages from Amazon that I still have to pick up from my concierge. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So one of you guys actually commented down below to show you guys what I purchase weekly. So that might be a really good thing or a bad thing for me, but I love that comment, and because I purchased a few things for my trip on Amazon, I'm gonna show you guys what pretty much So I'm gonna open up this package first. So as you guys know, I've been loving the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen with the SPF 50. So I bought 2 of them because now I have my fiance wearing it as well. So I just figured I'm actually going through the bottles quite quickly, and this one is pretty much empty. So I'm going to bring a fresh bottle with us on our trip. Is this big envelope right over here, so I'm gonna rip this open. Okay, cool. So I've been using the Beauty Blender by the actual Beauty Blender brand for years, and then I transitioned into using the Beauty Sponge by Real Techniques because it's a little bit more affordable and I can get it on Amazon very quickly. But I've been noticing that a lot of YouTubers are using just any store-bought. You can find dupes of Beauty Blenders at the dollar store, at Walmart, pretty much everywhere now. So even at like a Forever 21, to be honest. So I just picked up a few. I picked up this, and I think 5 of them cost me around like $4. I'll link everything to what I purchased on Amazon in the description box below. But yeah, I pretty much, you know what, I'm like, let me give a shot to no-name brands, if you will. I've never heard of this brand before. I just saw it on Amazon, and a lot of people purchased it from, and I saw that it was really cheap, so I figured let me just buy it. Actually, you know what, let me see the quality of it. Let me see if it's actually nice. It's a bit dense, but again, I haven't run through water with it, so it should be fine. If anything, it cost me $4 for 5 of them, so I'm not too pressed. Okay, so this is something I really needed because I feel like my blade is wearing out. It's pretty much the eyebrow razor. I have people asking me where I got my eyebrows done, or where any places I can recommend in Toronto, and to be honest, I don't know of any, only because I started doing my brows at home. My only thing is I think I purchased like, this is really big, and I prefer like the small ones to get, you know, in the areas that I need. So hopefully I don't shave off my entire eyebrow using these by accident, but we'll be safe, we'll be cautious. So I'm gonna actually take one of these on the trip for sure. So I'm happy that came in. Okay, so this is the stand that I need for the car for when I'm driving and I'm vlogging. So earlier today I had to use my phone because I didn't have my vlogging camera, but this is definitely gonna come in handy with attaching this stand to the car, and I could safely vlog without freaking out and the camera, you know. You guys, if you guys didn't watch the second vlog, watch it, because your girl was freaking out because I thought I was gonna break this camera. So I'm quite happy. Oh wait, did it come with 2? Okay, why would I need 2? I only have 1 camera. I purchased something else on Amazon, which I'm quite surprised hasn't come in yet because I was anticipating it for the trip. All in all, I'm quite happy. Right now, I'm extremely nervous because I haven't started packing. I still need a shower. I still need to organize my makeup. If you guys were in this room and the chaos that's happening in my apartment right now, it's actually ridiculous. So I'm going to be right back. I'm hopefully gonna be done packing at this point. It is now past midnight, and I still need to re-edit the video that I edited and completed and then had erased. So I'm going to do that. I'm just gonna pack up everything that I need, make sure everything is all organized. That way I could sleep on the plane, but I'm most likely gonna be editing on the plane, let's be real. All right, guys, wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. I'm hoping and praying we're not late for this flight. So we made it to the airport, thank God. I didn't really like our ride here, to be honest. Our Uber driver kind of dropped us off at the wrong like airlines. I'm sorry if it's really hard to hear me because this operator lady is speaking way too loud. But I'm excited. I just booked that I'd have it. I just booked that I actually have it, like told you guys where I'm going, so it's gonna be a bit of a surprise. It's not, so I'll let you guys know once we land. This is super out of my comfort zone because this place is packed and I'm actually vlogging, so I'm quite proud of myself. This morning was a bit hectic, but I have my coffee now, and now I can vlog. Alright, now it's only right that we let Instagram know that we're not in town, you know? Because that's what people do. The Misters is judging me, but it is what it is.